Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to take the time out to say I hope everyone is staying safe. I hope everyone and their family members are doing okay so far, and for those that are not doing well, I pray that you all get well soon. I am going to share with you today my Easter egg tree. I hope you guys enjoy. Here we go. I picked up this flower pot from the Dollar Tree, and I have a sanding paper. All I'm going to do today is just sand it down a little so that when I paint it, the paint stays, and I only need like a few coats. And right here you can see I'm just dusting it off to get all of the dust from the sanding, and then I will be painting it in two colors. So this one will be in the center, and then I'm going to use a different color, a pink color, to do the bottom and top edge. So I think I did like 2 coats of each color, and in between I let each coat dry before I apply the next one. And yeah, it's a glow in the dark pink, and in the night it really glows and it really looks nice. So this is like the finished product of the 2 colors that I chose for the basket. And then I have some eggs that I bought, like they are foam eggs. I did a DIY recently that I used just the flowers from the bunch, and all I did was save this for this project because I had this in mind. So all I did was take each egg and just stick it on there, made of foam, so it was not hard to just stick on where the flowers came from. I didn't use any glue to attach them, I just stick them on. And yeah, because of what's going on right now, I didn't get to go get more, and I know I needed a little bit more but I made it work anyway. So if you do this DIY, maybe you'll have like more eggs than I did, or more trees than I did. But I didn't want to go to the stores because of what's going on right now. And as you can see right here, all I'm going to do is use some of the floral foam that I picked up in Dollar Tree. These are stuff that I had in my craft stash, so I'm just using what I have, and I'm not going outside to make more purchases. So I basically just put them in the flower pot, and then I just stick each flower egg tree I think, I don't know how to call it, but flower tree, egg tree. And as you can see, it was not a lot, but I did make it work. I just I wish I had like moss or something like that, like the Spanish moss or something to put in the bottom to cover the floral foam, but unfortunately I don't have any in my stash. So I kind of try to be creative and cover it with some eggs. So enjoy, and I hope you guys like it. And I'll just let you see the rest of it, and take care, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to stay safe, be good to yourself, and if you need to, call a friend. If you need to, do a little DIY to keep you busy during this crazy time that we have. And please give a thumbs up if you like it. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section. And also, I would like for each and every one of you to stay blessed, have a beautiful day, and keep smiling.